Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk English Daily. I am Alex.
And I am Mia. Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. How are you doing today, Alex?
I am doing great, Mia. Thank you for asking. I am feeling very relaxed today. How are you?
I am feeling very happy. The weather is beautiful today, and I am excited about our lesson. We have a great topic for our listeners today.
Yes, we do. Today, we are going to talk about evening habits. We will talk about what we do every day when we come home from work or school.
Exactly. Evening habits are the things you do every night. This is a perfect topic for beginners. We will use simple words and everyday English. You can practice listening and you can practice speaking with us.
But before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask you.
Yes, please. If you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button right now. It is a small click for you, but it helps our channel, Talk English Daily, grow.
And please subscribe to our channel. When you subscribe, you will never miss a new English lesson. We want to help you practice English every day.
Also, share this video with your friends and family. If they are learning English, they can practice with us too. Learning together is always more fun.
Thank you so much for your support, everyone. Okay, Mia, are you ready to talk about your evening habits?
I am ready. Let's start at the very beginning of the evening. Let's talk about coming home.
Good idea. So, Mia, what is the first thing you do when you arrive home?
When I arrive home, the first thing I do is unlock the door. I open the door and I walk inside. Then I take off my shoes.
Ah, yes, I take off my shoes too. It feels so good to take off your shoes after a long day.
It really does. I take off my shoes and I put on my slippers. Slippers are soft and warm. They are perfect for the house. What about you, Alex? Where do you put your keys?
I always put my keys on the small table near the door. If I do not put my keys on the table, I will lose them.
That is very smart. I put my keys in my bag. So, listeners, let's practice this. Repeat after me. I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
Very good. Now, what happens next? After I take off my shoes, I change my clothes.
Yes, changing clothes is very important. I take off my work clothes, I put on comfortable clothes. I like to wear a loose t-shirt and soft pants.
Me too. I put on my comfortable clothes. I want to feel relaxed in my home. I wash my hands and I wash my face. The water makes me feel fresh.
I agree. Washing your face feels great. Okay, so now we are home, we have comfortable clothes, and we feel fresh. What is the next habit?
The next habit is a very important one. It is time for dinner. I love dinner time. I am always hungry in the evening.
Me too. I am always very hungry after work. Do you cook dinner every night, Mia?
I try to cook dinner most nights. I like cooking. It is fun for me. I usually cook healthy food. I cook chicken, rice, and vegetables. Sometimes I make a big salad. What do you cook, Alex?
Well, I am not a very good cook. Sometimes I am very tired, so I want something fast. I usually make a simple sandwich.
A sandwich? Just a sandwich for dinner?
Yes, a big sandwich. I put ham, cheese, and tomatoes in my sandwich. It's fast and it's delicious. Sometimes, if I am very lazy, I order food. I order a pizza.
Oh, pizza is very good. I order pizza sometimes too, especially on Friday nights. Friday night is pizza night.
That is a great habit. Listeners, let's practice these phrases. Listen and repeat. I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
I eat a sandwich.
I eat a sandwich.
Excellent job. So, Mia, after we eat dinner, we have a problem.
What is the problem?
The kitchen is dirty. There are dirty plates and dirty glasses. We have to clean.
Oh, yes, that is true. Doing the chores. Chores are the jobs we do in the house. I do not like washing the dishes, but I must do it.
I wash the dishes every night. I use hot water and soap. I wash the plates, the forks, and the cups. Then I wipe the table.
You are very clean, Alex. I have a machine to help me. I use a dishwasher. I put the dirty plates in the dishwasher and I press the button. It is very easy.
You are lucky. A dishwasher is a great machine. While I wash the dishes, I like to listen to music. It makes the chore fun.
That is a great idea. Listening to English music while you clean is a wonderful way to practice English.
Yes, it is. Listeners, you can listen to Talk English Daily while you wash the dishes.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, let's repeat these useful phrases. I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen.
Great work, everyone. Now the kitchen is clean, the dishes are washed. What do we do next, Alex?
Now is the best part of the evening. Now we relax.
Yes, free time. I love my free time. How do you relax in the evening, Alex?
I go to the living room. I sit on my comfortable sofa. I turn on the TV. I love to watch movies or sports.
Watching TV is a very popular evening habit. Many people watch television to relax. Do you watch TV in English?
Yes, I do. Watching movies in English is great practice. Sometimes I use subtitles. Subtitles help me understand the words. What do you do for fun in the evening, Mia?
I do not watch a lot of TV. I prefer to read. I love books. I sit in my big chair, I drink a cup of hot tea, and I read a book. Reading helps my mind feel calm.
Reading is a very good habit. Does it make you sleepy?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it. I also talk to my family. I call my mother on the phone. We talk about our day.
Talking to family is important. I sometimes check my phone in the evening. I look at social media and I send messages to my friends.
I think everyone looks at their phone in the evening, but we must be careful. Looking at the phone for a long time is not good for our eyes before bed.
You are right. I try to put my phone away at 9 p.m. I put it on the table and I do not look at it.
That is a very healthy habit, Alex. Let's practice some relaxing phrases. Listeners, repeat slowly. I sit on the sofa.
I sit on the sofa.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I read a book.
I read a book.
Wonderful! You are doing a great job practicing your speaking. Now, Alex, it is getting late. The evening is almost over. What is your bedtime routine?
Bedtime routine. This means the things we do right before we sleep. First, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth.
Brushing your teeth is very important. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use a blue toothbrush and toothpaste.
Yes, brushing teeth keeps our smiles bright. After I brush my teeth, I brush my hair. Then I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas are clothes for sleeping. My pajamas are very soft. I love putting on my pajamas. It means the day is finally finished.
Exactly. After I put on my pajamas, I go to my bedroom. I get into bed. The bed is so warm and comfortable.
Do you go to sleep immediately?
No, not immediately. First, I set my alarm. I need to wake up early for work tomorrow. I set my alarm clock for 7 a.m.
Yes, the alarm clock is necessary. I set my alarm on my phone. Then I turn off the lamp. I turn off the lights, and the room is dark.
I close my eyes, I take a deep breath, and I go to sleep.
That is a peaceful end to the day. Let's review the bedtime phrases for our listeners. Please listen and repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I put on my pajamas.
I put on my pajamas.
I set my alarm.
I set my alarm.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
Perfect! You all did a fantastic job today. We used so many great phrases for daily life.
Yes, we did. Let's do a very quick review of the whole evening. First, we come home and take off our shoes. We change into comfortable clothes.
Next, we cook dinner and we eat. Then we do the chores. We wash the dishes and clean the kitchen.
After that, we relax. We sit on the sofa, watch TV, read a book, or drink tea.
Finally, we get ready for bed. We brush our teeth, put on our pajamas, set the alarm, and go to sleep.
These are very simple sentences, but they are very, very useful. If you practice these sentences, you will improve your English speaking quickly.
That is exactly right. You can practice by talking to yourself at home. When you take off your shoes tonight, say out loud, I take off my shoes. When you eat dinner, say, I eat dinner.
Talking out loud is a wonderful secret to learning English. Do not be afraid to speak.
Well, Alex, I think we have talked a lot about our evenings. It was a very fun conversation.
It was very fun, Mia. I enjoyed learning about your evening habits, and I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
We love helping you practice your English. Remember, it is a journey. Take small steps every day.
Yes, take small steps. You are doing a great job just by listening to this video today.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
Yes, please talk to us in the comments. Our question for you today is, what is your favorite evening habit?
Do you like to read a book? Do you like to watch a movie? Do you like to eat a big dinner? Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your comments. It's a great way for you to practice writing in English, so please write a comment below.
And one last reminder, if you liked this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Talk English Daily, and share this with a friend.
Thank you so much for joining us today, everyone. Have a beautiful morning, a great afternoon, and a very relaxing evening.
Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Take care.